Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. Have cloudy conditions out there this morning with a few light rain showers moving through the area. We'll see that start to taper off as we go through the morning hours and setting up for mostly to partly cloudy at times as we get later in the day. If we take a look at the current surface analysis, we do have those showers over the local area at the moment. Those will continue to move off to the east as we go throughout the day, drying things out with just some clouds sticking around. If we look at current conditions as of 8 a.m. this morning, we have a broken deck around 6,000 feet and overcast at 9,500 feet. Did have some light rain on the observation. Otherwise, winds are light variable to calm at the moment, and temperatures running about 44 degrees with relative humidity at 100%. If we take a look at the current local radar, we can see some of those showers that are pushing through and continue to push off to the east. Next round could be this little bit of shower activity off to the west, and after that pushes through, we should see things dry out, and that should be by the late morning hours this morning. If we take a look at the current visible satellite, we see plenty of cloud material in the area. Expecting that to stick around for a little while, and as we get into the afternoon and the late afternoon and into the evening, could see it break up a bit before we see some more clouds building back in ahead of another front that will be moving through. But otherwise, you can see light variable winds across the area with temperatures in the low, climbing into the mid-40s. Looking at the short-term high-resolution model as we go throughout the day today, again, seeing those showers start to push off, then we'll see things dry out. You could see some breaks in those clouds as we get into the afternoon, becoming partly cloudy at times, and then as this next disturbance starts to move into the area, we'll see clouds start to build back in during the late morning into the start of Tuesday. But otherwise, as we get into Tuesday, we'll see some scattered, fairly light showers start to move in. Better chance getting into the afternoon when we'll see those move through, and then those will continue. And as we go into the evening, we'll see those start to break up a bit, but lingering around into the evening hours, and we'll see some cooler air move in with the chance of seeing some flurries or light snow mixed in on the backside of some of these showers, but not expecting any significant accumulation of any sort. And we could see a few lingering sprinkles or flurries for the start of Wednesday, and then we'll see this start to dry out as we go into the day on Wednesday, setting up for a drier day Wednesday. So if we look at the 24-hour weather risk chart for today, we do have that red for precip this morning, as we did see those and are seeing those light showers at the moment. We'll see that start to taper off likely by 11 local this morning, but then we'll see things drying out. Expecting winds to remain light and variable as we go throughout most of the day today, with a high reaching around 52 as we get into the afternoon, and we'll see some of those clouds breaking up for the afternoon with some sun moving in. So that'll help temperatures get to the mild 52, and then as we go into the evening hours, we'll likely see partly cloudy to mostly cloudy at times, becoming most likely mostly cloudy as we get into the morning hours on Tuesday, but will remain dry. We'll see a low bottom out around 40 degrees Tuesday morning. We'll have a very slight chance of some patchy mist in the area for the morning hours, and we'll see those winds slightly picking up just slightly out of the southwest and then shifting to a more northwest and northerly direction as we get into the start of Tuesday. Tides are running normal at the moment, and as we go into the day on Tuesday, expecting those clouds to build back in for a cloudy day with that good chance of light rain showers moving in by the afternoon hours. Otherwise, a seasonable day with a high around 46. We do have that orange risk for precip as well as that yellow risk for those reduced ceilings and visibilities with the showers. And as we go into Tuesday evening, continued cloudy with that good chance of light rain showers, and we see some of that cooler air move in, could have that possibility of mixing in some flurries or light snow late, but again expecting little to no accumulation through the Tuesday night time frame. But will be a cold evening with a low around 33, keeping that orange risk for precip and the yellow risk for reduced ceilings and visibility. And as we go into Wednesday, expecting to start off cloudy with that very slight chance of lingering sprinkle or shower, possibly flurries early, and then we'll see clouds start to break up and things dry out, becoming mostly cloudy later in the day. Otherwise slightly breezy, and on the chilly side we'll have a high of 42. That'll probably be early in the day, and then things will remain chilly with wind chills likely in the 30s for our Wednesday, but green across the board for weather risk for Wednesday. That will wrap up the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. Take a look at the extended forecast and enjoy your morning.